Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2005 Honda VTX1300. This is the spoke wheel model, 1300 cc's of V-Twin liquid cooled power, shaft drive. Bike is in beautiful shape, only 22,000 miles. Upgraded LED headlamp, white wall tires, really cool exhaust intake. This solo seat shaft drive VTX just arrived in beautiful metallic red paint scheme. Come on by, make your middleweight V-Twin cruiser dreams come true for just $47.99. We have financing. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.